USB-C hub, a maker, 8-in-1. USB-C adapter 3.1 with Type-C charging port, 4K HDMI output, 3 USB-C ports, SD/TF card reader for more multiport hub, space gray. Compatible with all DP/ALT mode of USB-C devices. The Thunderbolt USB-C multiport docking station can be used for kinds of devices, such as MacBook 2015/2016/2017 Pro, Google Pixel Chromebook, Samsung Galaxy S8/S8 Plus, Dell XPS, Microsoft 950/950 XL, HUAWEI P8/P9, Lenovo 900,910. In addition, the supported system is Windows 10/7/Vista/XP. This Type-C hub has been certificated by Apple system that can be used for Mac system. Compact with luggage. Eight-in-one multi-ports design. Contains 6 ports, 3 USB 3.0 ports, 4K HDMI video output, displays at 30 Hz refresh rate, SD and micro SD card slots, cahrging ports, all of which have standard USB 3.0 high-speed output, providing highest peak data transfer speed up to 5 Gbps/s, easy to transfer HD movies in 1 minute. One of the characteristic is that this kind of USB-C hub can support dual monitor. You can expand your screen of MacBook Pro 2016 to the TV. Plug and play. The USB Type-C multiport adapter isn't needed to install external drivers or power, supposed to be connect peripheral devices such as mouse, USB flash drives, external hard drive, camera and more. The USB-C MacBook adapter can be the perfect accessories of MacBook Pro 2016. Charging your laptop while connecting multiple peripherals and transferring data. 2 memory slots. 2 USB ports will allow you to charge external items while you work. 2 watt max, limited by high wattage. What you get: we provide this USB-C hub with lifetime warranty and 90-day refund policy within 1 day customer service. If you are not satisfied with purchase, simply return for a full refund or exchange. We will provide you with excellent after-sales service. Please rest assured, purchase the USB Type-C 6-in-1 hub.